Hello everyone, welcome back to The Greatest. If you're new here, hi, I'm Cherrie, and this channel is about success-driven tools and strategies for new bloggers to achieve clarity and focus. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to make money on Pinterest with affiliate links. But first, if you don't have a Pinterest account yet, I will have a link in the description of a previous video that I created, so it will help you get started. So let's jump right into this video. First, let's talk about affiliate marketing. There. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a sales strategy which involves an affiliate partner and a company who provides the product or service. Basically, the affiliate partner promotes someone else's products in exchange for commission. The affiliate partner is given a unique link so that companies can easily track the sales that are coming in, so that it will be easy for the company to compute the number of sales at a given month and send commission to the affiliate partner. Did you notice that whenever you watch a YouTube video, there will be a disclaimer in the description that says this is an affiliate link, or this product that I'm promoting is an affiliate. I'm an affiliate partner. So there you have it. So basically, you promote someone else's products in exchange for commission. Now, where do you get these links to promote on Pinterest? Now, for this video, I'm going to share what I do with my affiliate network, which is ShareASale. So with ShareASale, this is where I get my affiliate products. And if this is your first time to hear about ShareASale, I have another video to help you get started. So this will teach you how to create an account and whatnot. And I will also have it linked in the description for you. So how do you make money on Pinterest with affiliate links? So as soon as you create an account with ShareASale, you will get a welcome email saying that welcome and thank you for choosing ShareASale as your affiliate partner. And this is where you get your merchants for your niche. So this is my ShareASale account there. So let's try to search for merchants to promote. So just click search for merchants. Okay, there you go. So assuming you are blogging about home and garden. So let's click home and garden. Okay, there you go. So in this category, you will find products that you can promote on your blog. So it will say how many percent you will get per sale. And there you go. So let's say we want to try this, the one that offers 20% per sale. So to join the affiliate program, just click join program. And then there's a pop-up here where you just click that you have read and agreed to the terms and conditions, and then tell them about your blog. So, and your strategies. How do you wish to promote their products? Just a sentence or two will do right here, and then just click join this program. For some affiliate companies, or for some companies, you will be approved right away. But there are others who would review your narrative. Why do you want to promote them? Sometimes they also check your blog. So make sure that the product you want to sell is related to your blog niche. So there. Now, my Pinterest account is right here for my pet blog. So assuming I want to sell products about, pet care. So I'll just go to merchant status, scroll down, and I want to promote this one, healthy solutions for pets. They give 10% commission for every sale right there. Okay, so how do you get the links? Just scroll down and click get links there. And then here you can embed banners on your blog. So you click this banners and then scroll down and you can find images of what you want to put on the blog. So let me show you what the blog looks like right now. Because I embedded one of these on my sidebar widget. So there you go. Scroll down and there it is. There. So to do this, just go to your WordPress blog and go to appearance and then widgets. And then click here, copy the HTML code, and then paste it on your sidebar widget. And that's it. There you go. Now, since we're going to use Pinterest to promote this particular product, let me close this one and go back to ShareASale. So we need a link for this bundle. Let's go to the training bundle. We need a link for this bundle to put on Pinterest. So to do this, you can go to data feed. There you go. And below you will find the products, the estimated amount, the suggested retail price, and then your estimated commission. There. Now the problem is I want to sell the training bundle, but it's not here. So what do I do? First, you go to their website. It's taking a while to load. Hold on. Sorry, my internet connection is very slow right now. Just bear with me. All right, there you go. Okay, so here is their website. So I want to find the bundle, the training bundle. There you go. All right, so this is the product that I want to sell. Okay, so I want to post this on my Pinterest account. There. So what I do is, but on ShareASale, this bundle is not available, so I cannot get my affiliate link here. So what I do is, I go to create custom link, there, and then go back to the website, click their URL, go back to ShareASale, paste the URL here, and then click create custom link, there, and then skip this step. And there you have it. I now have my ShareASale affiliate link for this bundle. So I go to Pinterest. Actually, I've already uploaded the pin right here. Let me just click edit so I can show you. So there. So I have created a board specifically for my affiliate products. I call it Shop My Favorites. And then I put the title of the bundle, the description, along with the hashtags, and then the ShareASale link under website. And then I click save. Now, I I didn't just copy and pasted the image. I created this layout using Canva just to make it, look more presentable. There. And there you go. That's it. So when someone clicks, let me close this. So if your visitor clicks this, they will be redirected to the website. And then if they purchase, you get commission. That's a sale for you. There. And that's it. Here. So that's my affiliate link. All right. So that is how you make money with affiliate marketing through Pinterest. So no need to direct them to your blog. You just use the share a sale link and then they will be redirected to the product itself so they can easily add to cart. There. Now, let us talk about disclaimers because for affiliates, you shouldn't forget your affiliate disclaimers. And some merchants would say that it's necessary. If you don't disclose that you are an affiliate, they will not give you a commission. So be careful. Now, in this pin that I created, if you notice, I have a hashtag affiliate here, there. In some instances, there are bloggers who would put their disclaimer in the first sentence, like disclaimer, this is an affiliate link. And if you want to read my disclaimer, you can go to my website, blah, blah. But for me, this works for me, like the hashtag affiliate. So there. So don't forget that. And do not forget to really have a disclaimer on your website, just to be safe. Now for the disclaimer, you can always get your legal pages from Amira of aselfguru.com. I got my disclaimer page from her. So if you're interested, I will also have her link in the description. All right, and that's about it for Pinterest affiliate marketing and ShareASale. If you have questions, feel free to comment below. And thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!